In the 8th grade, one of the projects that we do is related to the language arts curriculum related to persuasive writing. And in U.S. history classes, we have both the Senate and the Supreme Court. One part of that Supreme Court project is the hearing of cases, so students act as justices and attorneys.
Some of the 8th graders are doing a Senate simulation, which is a chance for them to learn about the Constitution and how it works through actually living out the Constitution and how it works. The President walks down the aisle. Shake hands. We lead off with a State of the Union address delivered by our president. We've got people that are senators. We've got members of the executive branch. They're engaging in actions like nominating a Supreme Court justice and working with bills on flat tax or minimum wage or a pipeline treaty with Canada, all designed so that students have the opportunity to see a variety of things that the Senate does, but still allows them to talk about issues that matter to them and their agenda.
We also then turn and imagine what it would be like to be able to write an amendment to the Constitution. So students draft an amendment, they write a rationale for that amendment, and then they present it to their peers who are acting as the states. So it gives them an opportunity to practice those persuasive writing skills and also public speaking skills. It also gives them a sense of how hard it is to get an amendment passed.
They write bills, the bills get introduced, they get sent to committees, they get altered, they get changed, they get debated, they go to vote. If it comes to it, they always want a filibuster, then we try to limit that because they have to go to lunch eventually. And we do what we can do to show them how the Senate works, and sometimes how the Senate doesn't work all that well.